Imagine this. You're 30 years old, you've got a steady job, you're paying your bills, but you're stuck working hard for your money with no way to make your money work for you. How would it feel to finally unlock the key to financial freedom and create a future where your money grows passively, effortlessly? What if I told you the power to make that happen is sitting right in front of you, and it's easier than you think? If you've been thinking about investing but have no idea where to start, this video is for you. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you exactly what steps to take to start investing like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Let's dive in. Let me ask you something. What's the biggest risk you can take with your money? It's not investing in the stock market, not at all. The biggest risk is not investing at all. You see, every day you wait, inflation eats away at your purchasing power, and that money you're sitting on is losing value. Can you afford that? Here's the reality. If you're not investing, your money is just collecting dust in a savings account, and that's exactly what the banks want. They want you to stay comfortable, stuck in a cycle of low interest rates and doing absolutely nothing to grow your wealth. But it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine if you had started investing when you were 18. Just think about the compound interest working in your favor. How far would you be by now? We're talking real wealth building here, not just paycheck to paycheck living. But don't worry, it's never too late to start. There's still time, and I'll show you how to take the first step. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the how. Where do you even begin when it comes to investing? Well, there are a few options, and you don't need to be a Wall Street genius to get started. First up, stocks. Buying a share in a company means you own a piece of it. You're getting in on the action, sharing in the company's growth. The stock market is where people make money, big money. But there's a catch. It's risky, but don't worry, I'll tell you how to manage that risk. Next, bonds. A safer option than stocks. Bonds are essentially IOUs from governments or corporations. They pay you back with interest, like lending money to a friend and earning a little extra. It's stable, but with lower returns. Then we have mutual funds and ETFs. These are like investment baskets that let you invest in a bunch of companies all at once, lowering your risk. It's a great way to start without feeling overwhelmed. Wait, before you say, oh no, not another investment term, I'm going to break it down and we're going to keep it simple, like ordering a pizza. Don't overcomplicate it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start, trust me. Now we're at the moment you've been waiting for, how to start. This is where the magic happens. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Start small. Start today. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin your investment journey. In fact, some apps let you start with just $5. Choose a platform. We're in 2025, and there are platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or even apps like Acorns, where you can start investing with a few taps. It's simple, it's convenient, and you can set up an account in minutes. Set a goal. Do you want to save for retirement, build an emergency fund, or are you trying to grow your wealth over the next decade? Know your why, because that will guide your investment choices. Consistency is key. Just like brushing your teeth, investing requires regular commitment. Set up automatic contributions each month. Start with whatever you can, even if it's $50. Over time, it will add up, and compound interest will become your best friend. Now, you may be thinking, I've got my account set up, but how do I choose what to invest in? Hold on. I'm about to answer that. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. But first, I've got a warning for you. Don't make this huge mistake that most beginners make. Stick with me. We're almost there. Here's the thing. Getting started is easy, but staying in the game requires discipline. Many beginners make the mistake of jumping into the market too quickly or selling too early when things get rough. You've got to stay the course. Another pitfall is timing the market. Newsflash, no one can predict what's going to happen tomorrow, let alone next year. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on a long-term strategy. Stick to your plan and trust that over time your investments will grow. And one more thing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors, different asset types, and different companies. It's the best way to reduce risk. You've got the tools. You know the steps. The only thing left is to take action. You've got everything it takes to build wealth, to start your journey towards financial freedom. But don't let fear or uncertainty stop you. You're not alone. So many people have started from zero and now they're building empires. It's your turn. Take that first step today, and tomorrow will be waiting for you. Now, you might be wondering, how much should I actually invest? Should I invest in individual stocks or ETFs? Don't worry. I've got a step-by-step breakdown for you in my next video. You won't want to miss it. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments, what's the one thing you're going to invest in first? I'll see you in the next one.